Hey my angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm filming in the washroom. I'm sorry, the lighting is just so good here and it's actually night time, so I'm sorry. So I wanted to do a Dubai haul kind of video, like the things that I have bought while I was here and some things that I haven't even shown you guys because I started using them before I actually even filmed them. I'm sorry. And even some things that I have eaten here, like at the hotel and all that, in like buying at the grocery or the supermarket, and I just come and eat it and all that. I haven't shown you guys. I've just shown you like basic stuff that I am actually taking home with me. Yeah, so if you guys want to see this video, then please keep watching, and I hope you guys like hauls. And I haven't added everything that I have bought in this video, and that's because some of my things are a bit personal, and also some are my family things, like my parents and all that. Some things I can show you guys and other things I can't, and also my brother's things I can't show you guys. Just my personal things or other food stuff that I felt like I should show you guys, I have shown you guys. I know I said I haven't come to shop in Dubai, and honestly I haven't, but I have been looking for these perfumes for a very long time and I finally found them, so I had to buy them. Honestly speaking, this is the proper Arabian perfume, like honestly speaking, the perfume that all the Arabs in Dubai use. I have been looking for this. Anyways, so I got both of them at 200 dirhams. Yeah, 200 dirhams, so that's 100, which is not bad, and the smell is amazing. And I bought these from Dubai Mall and they told me it was a sale, so I guess I got it cheaper than the usual price, but Dubai Mall is usually expensive, so I don't know. So the next thing I got is this deos. I got it like a 3 set like this. It was on sale and I've used these deos before and they're amazing. They smell so nice, honestly speaking. I got one set for 15 dirhams, which is so cheap, guys. Oh my god, like I was like I need to. So yeah, that is that. I got another 3 set. Oh my god, I've bought everything on wholesale, and yeah, that's me. So I got another 3 set like lotion set, and I've used this lotion also before. My brother usually brings for me these things, so I love this lotion so much. They smell so nice. And also this I got for 20 dirhams for all 3, which is such a steal, honestly speaking. Although it's not too much, like 250 ml per bottle, but it's still nice. And my brother got like around 50 million of these Yardley deos. I mean just 10, not 50 million, guys, but these Yardley deos are amazing. I don't know if you guys remember my hair care video. I had mentioned this brand of shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, so I went and I bought 4 conditioners and 4 shampoos. It's all found in Kenya, guys. I just had to get it because I love this shampoo and conditioner. It's just amazing. And I got the different types because I have tried all these types and I love all of them. So yeah, and the smell, oh my god, of this shampoo is just, it's life, guys. It's life, honestly speaking. And I think I got this, yeah, I got this also at a double deal, like this, like stuck together. So I got one set, I think for, if I'm not wrong, 30 dirhams, which is such a steal because I buy Tresemme, just the shampoo alone in Kenya, for 1,000 shillings. So this is like both for like 900 shillings. Oh my god, guys, look at the bottle of this one. It's so pretty. The bottle of this one is also basic, but look at it. It has the oud thing inside. Can you guys see? Like the actual oud inside. Oh my god. So guys, it's actually night right now, but I just wanted to do my hauls. So I got a Swatch watch. It's a Swiss made brand, which is also pretty famous, and this is the watch I got. I don't know if you guys can see it properly, but it's very pretty. It's water resistant. It is like stunning, and I really needed like a plain gold watch. That's why I got it, and I got it for about for about, I'm not wrong, 335 dirhams, which is about 10,000 Kenya shillings, which is about $100. I got a pair of shoes from Tex, which I already wore. Funnily, when I was wearing them, I didn't even realize that the tag was still inside. I just realized that. So they're just comfortable white shoes, which I got very cheap. I think about 25 dirhams. And then I got this headbands. You guys know how much I love these headbands. I wear them in like most of my makeup videos, and this is like a 10 set. They're like 10 headbands inside over here, and I got the whole set for 20 dirhams, which is such a good deal because that's like 600 Kenya shillings, and that is like 60 shilling per headband, which is very cheap. And my brother got a couple of shoes for himself, which were really nice. I just had to show them in the video because they were so affordable and so nice. And then we got a few chocolates, Bounty. These are like 2 packets. It was on offer, like 2 packets. So Bounty, Kit Kat, and these minis, and these sour strips or something like that, these gums, and these berry jellies. We didn't get a lot of chocolates, and because we like them when they are kind of fresh, and we don't eat them like when they stay for too long, so that's why we bought a few. And yeah, we can always buy them in Nairobi anyways. And then we got this cake mix and pancake mix, which is my favorite. And for my mom, obviously we had to get custard, condensed milk, and these are creams, and then these caramels. My mom loves this, like from Dubai, so then we had to get that. And these jellies, and these jellies are halal. And these Neutrogena face wash I bought from my mom because I don't use face washes, but this is really nice and it smells nice. And also this I got for my mom. It smells like blueberry, like literally these ones. And this I bought for myself. It has black seed. It's the same one that I use, but this one has black seed, and I really wanted to try it because black seed has so many benefits. And I got these cute glitter headbands from Max, and these ones were also just for 20 dirhams for 3, so basically 200 Kenya shillings for 1. Oh my god, I am in love. And honestly, Max is really affordable. My brother does his full shopping from there. He like bought so much, like sandals, shoes, and all that kind of stuff, so you can get all your stuff from there. And I just wanted to add this you can find in Carrefour. It's heaven. I don't know if you can find this in Kenya, but this right here is heaven. And I also bought a few panties from Eastbay, but I don't want to show them. But I got them at this price, and the quality is amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to add that. So guys, I got myself these body mists from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, I heard they're so good, and like the hype about them are like they even last longer more than the Victoria's Secret one, so I had to try them, and the smell of these are like heaven on earth. And I got one for 85 dirhams, that is about 2,700 Kenya shilling. And I got this perfume. I have the white edition of this French perfume by Juvenis Paris, and everyone asks me about it. Like my perfumes, like whenever I use perfumes, and like people always ask me like what smell I'm wearing and all that. And so this is my new perfume, and it smells amazing. Honestly speaking, it smells amazing. And these are my brother's, like 50 million of them. He's just a fan of perfumes. So yeah, once I open this, I will show you guys the bottle, how it looks like. So guys, obviously I got one jeans. I had to buy a jeans, guys. It's so nice. Oh my god, it's like proper high waist. I just loved that about it, and I got it from Emirates Mall. It's so nice. The quality is like amazing. These are the edges. So I wanted to show you the inside of this, the bottle. It's so vintage, so pretty. It's almost like a Chanel kind of bottle, so nice and classy. And the price is 200 dirhams for this perfume, that is about 6,000 Kenyan shilling. Very pretty. And I also got like a small hand carry kind of bag because I travel to Nairobi a lot and I wanted like a small one that I can, you know, carry around. Plus it's kind of like, I wanted like this kind of material because of my makeup and stuff like that. Yeah, so this is very good quality, Prosperity. Most of my bags are from this brand. And yeah, it's very cute, very pretty, 4-wheel, and it was just for 100 dirhams. That is about 3,000 Kenya shilling. So since I was free, I said let me just finish up with my haul, but I've even forgotten half of the things I've packed them, honestly speaking. So anyways, I got these from Max. These are some nice plastic slippers, the ones that, you know, are perfect for Mombasa because, you know, we need these slippers over there. These I got for my mom. These I got for my sister. These were 20 dirhams. These were 80 dirhams. These were 80 dirhams, and a few shirts for my dad, sorry. And then I got this cute Lamborghini case for my 11 Pro, and oh my god, this mess. My brother got like 50 million t-shirts for himself, so let's ignore that. And then I bought these two perfumes, which smell so nice, and the lady there told me it lasts long, but it wasn't too expensive. I don't remember the exact price. I think it was 50 dirhams each, but I don't really remember how much it was for. So it smelled really nice and it lasts long. So these ones I will probably be gifting some of my friends. I don't know who exactly, but let's see. And then I got like 10 or I don't know 10 deos, like don't ask why. But they were so much cheaper in Dubai. Like I think this was around 3.5 dirhams, which is I think about 100 shillings if I'm not wrong exactly. Yeah, it's way more expensive in Kenya. And then I got this fuzzy soft, oh my god, it's like fleece pajama set. It is so cute, guys, oh my god. But I don't know if I'm gonna wear this in Mombasa ever, like so hot over there. Well, let's see, I'll probably wear it once when I go to the cold areas. And then I got these dresses, you know, the baggy dresses that everyone wears and loves, and so comfortable. But the material you get in Dubai is better, that's why I added it to this video. So yeah, I just wanted to add that, and it was about 30 dirhams. And then I got this self-picture monopod. Actually I didn't buy it for my mobile phone, I bought it for my camera. When they opened it was like pretty long, it's like 1 meter long, so I was like it would help me like when I'm vlogging and all that. So yeah, I got this pretty cheap, so I was just like let me just buy it. It's actually this long, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog, that haul basically of things that I bought. And yeah, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what's your favorite item, like any food stuff or any like jewelry or whatever I bought, I don't know. What did you like most? Please let me know.